Hello, welcome back to my shed. About a month ago I put a video out to show the work I'd been doing on a CNC machine. Since then I've done a fair bit of work on it to get it to this stage, and I did one successful test cut, a little pocket milling operation the other day. I was pretty happy with that. There's a hole in it because this is just a blank bit of wood. I've generated another file this morning. This is the piece that I plan to cut out, and I've got some measurements there so I can do some tests. It's going to be 10mm deep, and I'm going to take a step depth of 2.5mm. Might just do like a little practice run first to see if it's going to work at all. So I come down here and push sand. Should start. I've got working spindle control now from this box, so I can increase the speed from nothing all the way through to max, and the E-stop works now as well, which makes me feel a little bit better. So I can cancel that. Put power back to the spindle and the motors. Return the machine to 0. And hopefully we'll be good to go again. Alright, so the results of that cut. Here is the piece, which looks remarkably like the piece that I wanted to cut out. I'll just do a quick set of measurements. So, from the top of that arc to the bottom of that arc should be 45mm. And I get 44.5mm, which is pretty good. From there to there, it should be 65. So 64.5. This distance from here to here should be 20mm. I get 19.65. And then the final measurement should be the depth, which is supposed to be 10mm. $9.55. Yeah, it's awesome. This is only the second time I've used the machine, so I'm still a bit of a novice at using it. And I haven't really done any CNC machining before. I'm just kind of teaching myself as I go along. But I think as only the second piece I've ever cut out on this machine, I'm definitely really happy with the results. This is a quick rundown of the electronics that I have. This is just a 240 volt AC transformer. It takes the mains power here that we have in Australia, converts it to 12 volts. This is the transformer for the spindle that I have. I'm just using one of those cheap 500-watt spindles from Banggood. It seems to be working really well. This is a stepper driver. I've got 4 of them because I have 4 stepper motors. And this is an Arduino Uno. This is just a little USB powered fan. Its main job is to cool the spindle transformer. And it's got an old PC that a friend gave me for free, with an old keyboard that he gave me, and there's an old IBM monitor that I'm using. So there's not a whole bunch of money invested into the electronics.